Hi, I'm Burt True with the law firm True & Associates. Today's topic is medical malpractice, informed consent, a deaf mother disabled by an epidural. In a recent case before the Missouri Court of Appeals, the Missouri Court of Appeals affirmed that the failure to obtain informed consent before conducting a medical procedure is medical malpractice. You might have heard that your doctor has convinced the legislature, the Missouri legislature, to enact laws to protect them from the legal ramifications of their own malpractice. Well, the laws actually protect the insurance companies for the doctors, but anyway, they pretend to protect our good doctors. The threat was that doctors would leave the state in droves. I don't know about you, but I haven't seen any droves of doctors leaving the state prior to the enactment of these laws. Interestingly, the doctors themselves say that they haven't seen any reduction in their malpractice insurance premiums. But I digress. In this case, recent case, Crider versus Barnes Jewish Hospital, the lady named Crider went to the hospital to give birth. She is deaf. The hospital staff, who don't speak sign language, gave her an epidural, even though she asked that they not do it. She was disabled by the epidural. She filed a lawsuit against the doctors for causing her an injury when she had specifically told them that she did not want them to give her an epidural. But the trial court dismissed her lawsuit because she didn't have an affidavit from another doctor saying that giving her an epidural when she asked that they not do so is medical malpractice. This is despite the fact that the Missouri Court of Appeals stated unequivocally that failure to obtain informed consent for a medical procedure is medical malpractice. But the Court of Appeals upheld the dismissal anyway. Evidently, the court is more interested in protecting medical malpractice insurance companies than deaf birthing mothers. They said that Crider's failure to file an affidavit from another doctor warrants the dismissal, even though failure to obtain informed consent is medical malpractice. I'll put a link to the case in the blog posts. The case is Crider versus Barnes Jewish Hospital. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm Burt True with the law firm True & Associates. If you have a suggestion for a topic, please post it in the comments below. And if you're watching on my blog, you can subscribe to my blog by email. Just click that link that says subscribe by email. And you can also follow the blog using Google+. This will keep you updated with new posts to the blog. If you'd like to discuss something in private, just click the Google Voice gadget below on my blog. You enter your telephone number and Google will connect us by telephone. If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications of new videos. You can click the links on this video to view my firm's television commercial or other interesting videos on personal injury, wrongful death, and medical malpractice topics. You can follow me on Twitter at Burt True and on Google+ at Burt True. You'll get notice when I post a new video. I'm Burt True with True & Associates.